Hey everyone! Today I'm going to reveal 7 beginner-friendly stocks that I'm personally buying for 2026, before most people even realize how big these could get. If you've ever wondered how some investors always seem to get in early and ride a stock to massive gains, stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to look to get ahead.
Hey, real quick, before we jump into the video, please take some time to read the full disclaimer on the screen.
Now, before we dive in, I want you to think about this. What if you had the chance to invest in the next big company before it becomes a household name? That's exactly the mindset we're going to use here. And yes, some of these stocks might sound familiar, but I promise a few are hidden gems that most people haven't noticed yet. Let's start with the first stock. This one is in the tech sector, and I know what you're thinking. Tech? Isn't that risky? Well, yes. All investing carries risk, but this company is doing something really exciting. Think about how AI, cloud computing, and automation are shaping our world. This company is at the core of that change, providing the tools and infrastructure that other businesses rely on to scale. If you've noticed, companies that enable other companies tend to grow steadily because they aren't just competing with one trend. They're embedded in multiple industries. Here's a question for you. If you could invest in a company that powers the technology behind almost every app you use daily, would you? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below. I really want to see what you think. Stock number 2 is in the green energy space. Look, the world is shifting fast toward renewable energy. Governments, corporations, and everyday people are realizing we can't rely on fossil fuels forever. This company is involved in solar panels, battery storage, or maybe even electric vehicle components. What's important here is positioning. Companies that are positioned to benefit from long-term trends, like clean energy, can see incredible growth over time. And think about this. If electric cars are going to dominate the roads in the next 10 years, who makes the batteries that power them? Who makes the chips that control those batteries? That's exactly where you want to be. Stock number 3 is a little different. It's in healthcare. Now, healthcare might sound boring, but hear me out. This is the sector that never really goes away. People will always need medicine, treatments, and healthcare innovations. The stock I'm looking at is working on something revolutionary, maybe a new type of therapy, medical device, or biotech solution. These aren't just small incremental improvements. They have the potential to change lives and generate huge returns for investors who get in early. Here's a thought. If you could invest in a company that might cure or significantly improve the treatment for a major disease, would you? Let me know your answer in the comments. I genuinely want to see what you think. The fourth stock is in the consumer technology space, something that affects almost everyone on a daily basis. This could be a company that makes smart devices, wearable tech, or even gaming equipment. Why does this matter? Because the world is moving toward convenience, connectivity, and immersive experiences. People want smarter homes, better health tracking, and more interactive entertainment. Companies that understand what people want before they even realize it are the ones that grow fast. And by the way, if you're enjoying this list and finding value, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends. We're diving into stocks that could literally change your financial future, and you won't want to miss any of them. Stock number 5 is in financial technology, or fintech. Traditional banks are being challenged by apps and platforms that make payments, lending, and investing easier and faster. This company is one of those disruptors. Why is this exciting? Because they are targeting a market that is massive, yet still evolving. Every year, millions of people switch to easier, more efficient ways to handle money, and the company I'm talking about is perfectly positioned to benefit from this shift in how we manage and move money. I want you to think for a second. How often do you use your phone or computer to send money, pay bills, or invest? And what if the company behind that seamless experience grows into a multi-billion-dollar powerhouse over the next few years? Drop a comment with your guess on which area of fintech is going to explode next. You might be surprised at the predictions people share. Stock number 6 is in infrastructure and technology. Now, this might not sound glamorous, but it's absolutely essential. Think about how the world is always building, upgrading, and connecting everything, from roads and bridges to data networks and 5G towers. This stock benefits from a dual trend, both traditional infrastructure spending and the tech upgrades that make everything smarter. And the best part? These companies often have steady growth with less dramatic swings than pure tech stocks, making them a great option for beginners. Here's a question. Would you rather invest in a company that grows steadily, or one that could skyrocket but is riskier? Write your answer in the comments. I'm curious to see what you prioritize when investing. And finally, stock number 7. This is a wild card, a company that doesn't fit neatly into any category, but has huge potential because of innovation. Maybe it's in robotics, artificial intelligence, next-gen internet, or even space technology. What makes this stock exciting is that it's not just following trends, it's creating them. Companies like this are the ones that can multiply in value many times over if their vision becomes reality. Think about this. What if you invested in a company that ends up defining an entirely new industry? Would you have the patience to hold through the ups and downs? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop them in the comments section. So there you have it. 7 beginner stocks I'm buying for 2026. Each one has its own story, its own growth potential, and its own level of risk. But they all share one thing. They're positioned to benefit from big trends that are just starting to unfold. Before we wrap up, let me ask you this. If you had to pick just one stock from this list to invest in today, which one would it be, and why? Leave your reply in the comments. I read every single one, and I want to see which companies are catching your attention. And if you found this video helpful and want more content like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. There's a lot more coming where these ideas came from, and I promise to keep breaking down stocks in a way that's easy to understand. No jargon, just clear, actionable insight. Remember, investing is a long-term game. You don't need to buy every hot stock. Focus on companies with real potential, understand what they do, and get in early while the opportunity is still under the radar. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. And who knows, maybe one of these 7 stocks will be the next big success story you tell your friends about. So, are you ready to take action? Which of these 7 stocks excites you the most? Are you the kind of investor who likes steady growth, or do you chase the big disruptive companies? Comment below. I really want to hear your perspective, and let's get a conversation going. That's it for today. Remember, the key is to learn, act, and stay informed. The future of investing is about seeing trends before they explode and positioning yourself to benefit from them. And if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let's help more people discover these opportunities before they're mainstream. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, where we'll dive into more stocks, trends, and investment ideas that could shape 2026 and beyond.